Hello?
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to introduce the winners for the Nat Plus drill and then the Burano Nail Kit. So she is the winner for the drill, so congratulations to Felicia. You are the winner to the drill, and then the next one is Liz Bishop. You are the winner to the polygel. So if you guys can contact me in my email and just let me know, we'll just exchange contacts and things like that so I can get you your prizes out to you guys. And I just want to say there's more giveaways going on my channel, so definitely check those out so that way you guys have a chance to enter. So you guys really enjoyed the Dollar Tree nail kit. I was gonna say nail kit. The Dollar Tree press-on nails that I did, and they do come very short. They're not long. I haven't found any long ones, and I've been going all over. I'm going to be using acrylic paint, the nail tips, glue, nail file, buffer, just little things that you can find. The Zora Beauty top and foundation, which is very cheap. I think they're like $5 for the whole set. The nail tips is like $1 at the Dollar Tree. So in reality, if you wanted to just use regular polish, you can, and this set would literally cost you like $2. And the acrylic paints you can actually find at the Dollar Tree. You can find them at Michael's for like 29 cents. Sometimes they have them for like 50 cents. It just depends on where you go, and you also have coupons, so definitely check that out. I love using acrylic paints because they're easy to work with and just very pretty, and they come in a variety of colors. So I do use them for different things. And right here I'm just doubling my nail tips to make them a little bit longer, but I wanted a natural, like if they were mine, I wanted a nice curve, and I wanted them to be thick but not too thick. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing right here. And I know a lot of you guys were asking me where I've been. I kind of have been like underneath the weather, under the weather. And you guys, like literally I felt like crap. Like I woke up the other day and I literally, my throat was hurting me, my head was hurting me, like I just did not feel good. And yeah, it was a no-go for me. So I just literally had to take a day and just chill and relax and not do anything, not smell acrylic gel, anything. Like I just couldn't. My eyes hurt, like it was just horrible. But yeah, I'm back, and I'm back at it. And right here I'm just gluing on the press-on nails. I didn't use latex because I actually wanted to do the other hand, and I did, and I have both of my hands done. And yeah, I wanted to keep these on for a couple of days because these are my days that I don't record, and I wanted to have nails. I wanted to be cute. So these looked so natural. They look like my natural nails, like if I just went and painted over them. And yeah, so that's kind of what I'm doing. Very simple, very easy. You guys can do these at home, anywhere. Trust me, it's not hard to do at all. You guys really love the press-on nails and always want me to find like a cheaper version, so definitely check out Dollar Tree, because Dollar Tree has the best press-on anything, and literally it's $1. Like it's not $1.25, it's not $1, it's $1, like just $1. So definitely check out Dollar Tree. They have lots of stuff, lots of goodies. And I love how these nails turned out. They're nice and curved. They look so natural. They look like they grew out of my nail beds. And just, I think if I would have went with like a nude color, it would have looked even better. Like it just looked really nice and very sleek. And I don't know, it just looked like my natural nails. But yeah, so that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm just shaping them up to a coffin shape. And after that, I'm going to be applying 2 layers of the foundation, the color, and then decorating them with the acrylic paints, which I just mixed a little bit of alcohol with the acrylic paints, and that's kind of all that I did. And my dog is making a debut, so if you hear her, that's what that noise is. I bought her a new toy and she's just going in, okay? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I also hope you guys are getting ready for Halloween. I'm so excited for the Halloween designs that are going to be coming out with, that I'm going to be coming out with. And yeah, I just have lots of ideas. So if you have Halloween ideas, definitely link them down below and let me know what are some of your ideas. And to the winners, please email me. My email is in the description box. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get notified each time that I upload. And also make sure you hit that like button. Have a good night, you guys.